Wingstop released a new sandwich. Well, 12. And we're gonna beat every single one. You already know what's going on. There's not much to say. We got a lot of sauces to make. Let's cut to the chase and do this, shall we? We have 12 sandwiches, 11 sauces. So I'm gonna see if I can make this in under an hour. If not, then we're gonna make the spiciest chicken sandwich we possibly can on planet Earth. And I have to eat it. Time starts now. And we're making the mango habanero first. Mango's cut. If it's ripe, it'll scoop it out into a blender. Oh, vinegar, jiggy woogie, and wah wah. Habaneros, about a cup of those. Seeds and all. Gotta reduce this bad boy. Oh, this is not plugged in. The breaker is off. Yeah, I'm gonna switch to the stove. Blender, parm, lemon juice, 2 egg yolk, mustard in, chopped rosemary, thyme, garlic, back on. All right, then we're gonna blend in oil. It's an emulsification. In the bowl, a little bit of chopped parsley in, some chives, red Fresno chili, top off, bottom off. And that's going to get seeded. Start with a julienne. Turn that the other way. Nice fine dice. In, shallot, same exact concept. Did I cut myself? Finely diced. Going in, stir. Okay, we have a garlic parm. Mango habanero gets stirred. So while this is simmering, a little bit of corn syrup in. I needed a Band-Aid for my ouchie that I made making this so far. Frank's Red Hot sauce, 2 cloves of garlic, crushed lightly. In, a little bit of salt to taste. Stir it. And now we just add butter. That's cold butter. Stir and emulsify. The heat's off. Done. Green sauce, dark soy, wee bit of honey, little bit of ketchup, brown sugar, mirin, rice vinegar, gochujang, you gotta have it. We don't need to reduce this a ton. We're just gonna heat it. I'm gonna finally chop some garlic. Finally, mix this together. Heat off, it's still very hot. Sauce done, garlic goes in. All right, mix that all together. Korean done. Barbecue's always fun, right? Brown sugar, always. A little bit of salty salt, smoked paprika, distilled vinegar, garlic powder, water, and the piece de resistance tends to be better when there's a ketchup base. Look at that. Now we're gonna stir all that. Splash of shirdashi, never hurt anyone, or has it? Whisk this together, get it nice and smooth. We're just gonna let that puppy rip. We're gonna make our Louisiana rub. Bowl, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, always go light on onion. Paprika, oregano, and thyme. A bit of cayenne for some spice. We're gonna whisk that together. Dry rub, done. Now the Cajun one, I'm gonna go a little different route. The cayenne, onion, lightly, garlic, much heavier, sugar, salt, MSG, why not, right? Ground white pepper, smoked paprika, and some black pepper. Whisk together, 1 cup of that. Keep this hot, that goes for our Cajun hot. All right, we got half the time remaining and half the sauces. Barbecue, done. There it is. Time for mild. Louisiana red, a bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder, and a little bit of distilled vinegar. Keep that up over medium. And we're just gonna get this steamy hot. We don't need this to boil or anything like that. Once it's hot, heat goes off. Cold butter going directly in, tossed till melted. Mild buffalo, done. More Frank's Red Hot. To make it spicier, we have a very hot sauce. I don't know what it is, I just know it's really spicy. A little bit of cayenne, Aleppo, onion, and vinegar. Together, get butter in now, all of it. Stirring it, we're emulsifying. 3 more sauces left. Done. Hot buffalo, Mr. Hawaiian's next. Pineapple juice, put that on high heat. We're gonna reduce that slightly. A bit of sugar, that's brown sugar. 1 jalapeno, rough chopped. In, wee bit of ginger. In, green onion. Cut that into segments. I have water, I have cornstarch. You put it together, dissolve. That's our slurry. I'm gonna add in my soy sauce. I'm gonna reduce that a minute. Vikram wants me to note that it's raining because he doesn't like it. Getting darker and darker as we speak. This is done. Take our slurry here and whisk it in quickly. We're thickening over here, gentlemen. Done. Pour that through here. Hawaiian sauce done. No clue if that's good or not. All right, lemon juice. A little bit of water. Heat on. Get it steamy. I'll actually do this one last. Atomic sauce has a lot of ingredients. We're starting with that. Oil in. We got garlic. We got habanero. We got salami. Not salami. Sliced. We go in. Habanero. Garlic sliced. In. Saute. Saute. Once that's softened, a little bit of crushed tomato. Water, vinegar, sambal, cayenne, brown sugar. I think this is ketchup, I don't know what it is, I can't see. Kendrick, are you okay? It's okay, guys, we're all in this together. The power went out. Oh, it's back on, okay. This time is wrong. Jesus Christ! Why is this happening today? Simmer this till it's soft. I'm gonna put it over here while it simmers. Lemon pepper while that goes. Turn it down, make sure it's not boiling. Butter, good chunk of our butter going in. Swirl that. We're ready for our lemon peppy seasoning going in. Additional garlic powder for the flex. Heat goes off, fresh garlic. Stir it in, done. We have 1 more sauce left and we're done. Blender, butter. Gonna finger that in there. In the bowl, season with salt. And stir. That's 56 minutes. That's it. The sauces are done. Let's assemble these sandwiches and see if we won every single sauce. But maybe if we survive this storm. Bowl, buttermilk, go. Mustard powder, garlic powder in, onion powder on the other hand. Like I said, go light. A little bit of paprika and a whole lot of salt. Maybe a little peppy. Put that together. If you're making a lot of sandwiches, you need a lot of chicken. And they're in. Break them up so that they're marinating nicely. And we're just gonna cover it. Marinate this overnight or don't. You can also go right ahead and fry. Let's bread. Flour, salt in. Chicken can take a lot of freaking salt. Light onion powder, garlic, and ground ginger. Paprika, it. Cool, now we gotta go to the store. Whisk. Movie magic, marinated overnight. Sheet tray, put some of your dredge on that, because this is where your chicken's gonna land. Oh! Dry hand, wet hand. Identify which one. I don't give a shit. Could be your third leg for all I care. We're just gonna add a little bit, some drippy drippies of our dredge. Chicken in. Toss, 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 toss. Press. I want it fully coated. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at that. Now you shake off the excess, pop it to the side, and we're gonna repeat with all our chicken. Woo! Okay, all done. All right, we gotta cut these buns, and we got a lot of them. Woo! Now we gotta toast them. Heat pan, medium. Butter, bun in. Should look a little bit like this. The more surface area, the better. We're all toasted. Frying time. Oil, 350 Fahrenheit. We got a lot of chicken to fry. Today, Yuma's helping us out. He's frying at the same time. Frying in the living room. Let's go! After 3 to 4 minutes, you pull it out. They should look something like this, and hopefully they're not medium rare. A bit more salt. We're almost there. It's time to assemble. We sauce and we top. We're lining them all up. I don't think that they put mayo on theirs. I have a problem with that. I'm gonna put a little bit of Koopy on there. All right, chicken goes in. Bowl, sauce, and we toss. Chicken down, and repeat. Ah, damn, I didn't take a goddamn Instagram photo. All right, pickle time. We're gonna do 1, 2.
They do too.
Well, then I'm doing 3. Are you ready to watch me slop their top? Top bun, top bun, top, boom. Woo! We got all sorts of flavors on here. Look, we got flavors here, and I got flavor here. Time to find a winner. This is my first time trying a Wingstop one, so here we go. This is the Korean. Tastes absolutely nothing like Korean. This is hospital food. Time for mine. Oh wait, is this barbecue? Sorry, this is barbecue. That explains why it didn't taste like Korean. It does taste like barbecue sauce. Still God damn. It's sweet, it's smoky. I will say theirs is a little bit more smoky. I think they probably used liquid smoke maybe, but I'm calling this a dub. It wouldn't be fair for me to rate every single one of these because I'm just gonna say, oh, I went with that. We're gonna have everyone else taste test and decide the final winner. Let's begin.
He left it with us, and now I will feed you like a baby. Number 1.
Oh my goodness.
2. Make your choice. Here you go.
Oh.
Your right side.
The first one. Why's Wingstop gotta be trash like that?
We won, end of story, but you wanna know what the beginning of the story is? Be